What is going on, guys? It's your boy Goku Brown, and we're back at it again with another One Piece Treasure Cruise summoning video. And today for you we got the Nekamamushi or Cat Viper Sugo-Fest, and it's a striker rate up. Legends are twice the rate, and Shirahoshi, Law, and Cat Viper are all rate boosted. So yeah, pretty good chance to get them. Let's jump right into it. Alright, we're gonna do 10, get 1 free. There's a legend! Alright, got one right off the bat. Alright. I mean, like, obviously I have to take that. Let's see, who do we get? Oh, and it's an Echo! What? Oh my god. Okay guys, sorry I'm not that loud right now. It's kind of late at my house, but and I'm supposed to be doing homework, but yeah, but wow. That's literally the best possible outcome. I got Neko right off the bat. He's probably next to a Kainu and maybe time skip Luffy. He's one of the top 3 cards in the game right now, currently. Like, without a doubt, top 3. He's, oh my, such an amazing card. Like, he's ridiculously amazing. Hey, that's a new Eustace kid. I did not have this kid. Alright, that's like old school Nami. I really want Conjuro also. Okay, I have enough Namis. Oh, actually, that's a new Nami. I'll take that. I think that's, is that Strong World Nami? Or, Log Nami. Yeah, that's Log Nami. Oh! This Sanji's really good. That's, time skip Sanji. You can tell because of the goatee. Koza. I've always liked Koza, like in the show. Ooh, Virgo! That's a really nice card. That's awesome. Okay. I did not have Virgo. Okay, another Eustace. Bellamere. Alright. Okay, who do we get? It's rate boosted guaranteed. Come on, Conjura. Oh, it's Carrot. Not bad. She's actually gonna go great on my AGL team. That was awesome. Okay, I should stop here, but we're gonna go one more. Just one more time. Okay. This is it, I promise you. This is our last summon. I mean, I got Neko already. Kinda greedy right now. Oh, okay, that's a red. Automatically, this was a... Oh, 2 reds! Okay, automatically this was worth it. Oh, Kumadori. Kumadori is an awesome card. Actually, I don't know if he's good or not. I like him in the show. Ooh, Squard. I just fed all my Squards into the, like the Fortnite version, because I didn't have a Squard. Now I got Squard, alright. I'll take that. Yeah, I just sold all my Kumadori books. No, I didn't sell them, I fed them to some lower cost, or lower level units. V1 Sanji. The Usopp Pirates. I didn't even know they were a card. Oh, who are we gonna get? Who are we gonna get? Hey, Marco! We just got the first division commander of the Whitebeard Pirates, Marco the Phoenix. That's hype. Brand new legend. Awesome, awesome. Alright, come on, I just need Conjure. Okay. I already got a bunch of killers. Conjuro? Don't need any more Olympuses. Conjuro? Oh my, I just said I don't need any more Olympuses. Alright, who we gonna get? Who we gonna get? Hey, Doflamingo! That is ridiculously good. Oh my god. Wow. This was an awesome Sugo-Fest. Ooh, Korbu. He's really good too. I think he's actually better than Carrot. Yeah, he's better than Carrot, so I'd use him instead. Okay, but yeah, guys, that was the video for today. Hope you liked it. Sorry for the volume being pretty low. Again, it's late at my house. And yeah, if you liked it, like, comment, share, subscribe, whatever. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.